Buenos dias mga kasangkayan, welcome back to my channel. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is a common question pag nag-apply ka bilang isang pipe fitter or welder. Pero bago yan, pagkatapos muna na maiksing intro.
But before we go any further, a word of caution. Don't let just the salaries drive your choices. Let your desire drive your choices. There is wholehearted passionate effort. Passionate effort leads to expertise. Where there is expertise, opportunities and success follow.
So hopefully nakapagbigay ko sa inyo ng kunting idea at kaalaman, lalong-lalo na sa mga aspiring pipe fitter na nagbabalak mag-abroad. Ito kasi yung common na tinatanong ng employer pag nag-a-apply ka bilang isang pipe fitter or welder. In piping terminology, what does FFWN FLG means? Welding plunge, ito yung direct weld face-to-face with a pipe spool. Unlike sa slip-on plunge, it looks like socket, so ini-insert yung pipe sa loob ng flange. Yan ang difference ng slip-on plunge sa weld neck flange. What is the take-off of a 10-inch short reduced 90-degree elbow? Ang take-off niya is same 10 inches pa rin. Halimbawa, ang running meter pipe mo is 1000 mm minus 255 mm or 10 inches. Ang magiging pipe spool mo ay 745 mm. Pag na-joint na yan, take a measurement in the center of elbow to end face of pipe. Ang sukat ay equal to 1 meter or 1000 mm. Take off a 10 inches long reduced 90-degree elbow. To get exact take off, multiply nominal pipe size. Let's say 10 inches multiply into 38.1 is equal to 619. Kung ang running millimeter pipe mo is 1000 mm minus 619 mm, ang magiging pipe spool mo is 381 mm. So same procedure, pag na-joint na, take measurement center of the elbow to end face of pipe is equal to 1000 mm. What is the take-off for an 8 inches butt weld 45-degree elbow? For 45-degree elbow, 8 inch or 200 mm, take-off is 127 mm. Ang naiiba lang is take-off calculation is 15.875. Ang procedure is the same from previous degree elbow. Nominal pipe size into 15.875. Pag nakuha nyo na yung spool, same procedure, take measurement center of the elbow to end face of pipe. And the result is equal to 1000 mm pipe spool. What mean by a feather edge and when is it used? Feather edge or TIG welding is the process of welding using a gas cylinder. What is the difference between eccentric and concentric reducer? Concentric reducer keeps same center, while eccentric reducer, it changes the center. When fabrication of pipes full, what does the term toe hole mean? List 3 types of piping joints. Thread ulit, socket ulit, weld ulit. They are so-called special fittings or welding. What is the most common angle used when you are beveling the end of pipe to ASME standard? The common angle is 37.5 mm. Bueno mga kasangkayan, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa nakaabot sa dulo ng aking video. Hanggang sa muli nating pag-uugnay. Maraming salamat. Gracias. Adios.